Desk Buying Guide. Office Desk includes styles and features suited to a professional office environment. Learn more about office desk construction types, features, and care. There are several factors to consider when selecting an office desk that will best complement how you work and your workspace. The following guide walks you through the different types and features of the office desk to help you stay organized and is beneficial to your work performance. Office desk construction. Office desk shape. L-shaped desk plan. U-shaped desk plan. Open desk plan. Office desk material: wood, metal, plastic. Office desk size. Office desk types. The type of office desk you select will depend on the style and function you set for your office space. There are many different types of office desks to select from, which offer unique benefits: computer desk, executive desk, conference desk, secretary desk, credenza desk, laptop standers. Office desk features: file cabinets, roll top, desk arches, pull-out surface, corner accommodations. Office desk care: wood desks, desk with glass tops.